Welcome to this quick video on splitting your screen on a Mac. So I've got a MacBook, you might have a Mac computer. If you've got a Mac rather than a PC, it's slightly different to split your screen. Rather than dragging each of the applications or the screens to a side or a corner, you're just going to use an option which is available at the top. Now you can have multiple browsers open, you can have multiple applications on the screen. Just a quick top tip here at the moment, you can see I've got two tabs open in my browser. I've got my YouTube channel and then I've got a content calendar. At the moment, because they are on the same window, then my Mac will think they are the same thing and I won't be able to split them up if I wanted to see these in side by side. I would have to click on one of them and drag it out. So if I just clicked on the header and dragged it away, then it would separate it out into two separate windows and then I could have those open at the same time on my Mac, nice and easy. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to have one of the things open, which is a browser. I want to have this visible and I'm just going to go to Window, and then you've got the option to tile the window to the left or tile the window to the right. So I'm going to drop this on the right hand side. And then what you'll see is your computer has identified any other applications or browsers that are available to pop on the left hand side, and they will all be displayed there. And I'm just going to click, I've only got one, so I'm just going to click on this blank Excel spreadsheet and it will open up, and I can then start playing around with that, doing what I need to do in there, and I can come into my second one and just scroll down and do what I need to do in there. So if you need to copy and paste things along and you don't have a big screen or separate screens, it can be quite useful to do this function. And it's just a little bit different on a Mac. If you want to come out of this at any point, there is a shortcut, or you can just go into the top, which I just found so much easier, and just open one of them back up again. Using the options in the top left, I've used the green one to go to full screen and it just gives me that and it's reopened it. And if I want to go back and split my screen again, I just go to Window and carry on and do that. So really useful if you use a Mac. Please do like and subscribe and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.